In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label several Trello cards at once. First, go to Atlassian and make sure you're logged into your account, since Trello features and power-ups are only available when you're signed in properly. Once you're in, open the Trello board where the cards you want to update are located. As soon as the board loads, look for the Power-Ups option. Click that, then choose Add Power-Ups. This opens the Power-Up directory for your board, where you can add extra tools that expand what Trello can do. In the search bar, type Bulk Actions and select it from the results. Then click Add to enable it on your board. After the Bulk Actions Power-Up has been added, go back to your board and open the Bulk Actions panel. This is where you can make changes to multiple cards at the same time, which is much faster than opening each card one by one and adding labels manually. Inside the panel, start selecting the cards you want to edit by clicking their checkboxes. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing only the cards that should receive the same label. This is especially helpful if you're organizing tasks by status, priority, team, or category, and want everything to stay consistent across the board. Once your cards are selected, click Labels. You'll then see the available label options for that board. Choose the label you want to apply to all of the selected cards, and then click Apply. Trello will update the cards in bulk, so the label is added across every card you selected. After that, quickly verify the results by checking the selected cards on the board. You should now see the label applied to each one. This confirmation step is useful, especially if you selected a large group of cards, because it helps you catch mistakes right away before moving on. That's it. You successfully labeled several Trello cards at once using the Bulk Actions Power-Up. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip before you go. Bulk editing is a great way to save time when managing busy boards. But it's always worth double-checking your card selection before you click Apply. If the wrong cards are selected, they'll all get the same update, so a quick review can prevent extra cleanup later. And once you get comfortable using bulk actions, you can speed up repetitive board management even more, especially when working with large task lists or team workflows. Congratulations, you're all set.